I am headed out of town tomorrow. So today we're going to be working on just the thrift flips that need to be painted that sold last week. And then we're also going to go to the shop and get the fall display set up, or at least a few things, because Zeb bought some giant pumpkins last year.
I've been saving them all year just for this time.
So hopefully we'll get that all done before I have to fly out to California tomorrow. We're working on this French style bowl with a lid.
I call dibs on crockery.
You call dibs on crockery? Okay, well this is going crockery and the obelisk is going crockery. And then, watch out, don't get paint in your eye. And then I'm painting this corbel and this frame in DIY's Americana in the cottage color. So we're gonna get them done. Oh, look at that paint glide.
Oh, it's so good.
It's so aesthetic. It's like ASMR.
But hold on. Wait. Okay, now.
And pretty shots.
What do we have here, Jamie?
We have this really cool metal, is it like embossed? What would you call it?
I would call this punched tin, yeah.
Okay, so I'm just painting it in
It's
Americana.
silver. It's silver plate, right? You're painting silver plate?
It is not silver plate. It's just silver colored. It only needs one coat. Once that dries, I'll distress it, bring it back to silver, maybe dark wax it. I don't know, but then this project will be done. I think, how much did we pay for this?
Like $1,
$2,
maybe $2.
I don't think anything was over $5. I think these were all like $2 or less. So, next thing with Americana is it does have a built-in sealer, but it will dry darker than it looks.
Where's my pretty shot?
Oh, you want
Go
me
slow, go slow.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
And slow.
Oh, that's so good.
And swipe. There we go.
And then you gotta go back to the swirls.
Then Jamie's got to get stuff done.
Get it in the cracks, girl. Let me know. That looks like a little lamb's face.
It does not look like a little lamb's face, you weirdo.
It does too.
Well, I'm just going to hit this with sandpaper and remove some of the paint and leave the sparkly shiny underneath, and then it'll be ready for dark wax.
Now the 2-color challenge, Americana and crockery.
We decided to just use 2 colors on these projects to kind of show you how you can stretch them out. You could even mix crockery and Americana and make a mixed color. Da-da-da.
Oh, it's much brighter without the stencil over the top.
Oh, that looks way good. It's much better than palm tree. So this is the JRB stencil. It's the folk floral, and we used it on Waste Not Wednesday. I'll have Zeb put a picture in here so you can see what it looks like in that application. We did it in the dark gray. It was super cute. That's not coming off at all.
This is a 2-hand sand application.
Well, it's like not coming off.
Come on, get the edges. Get those T-Rex arms going.
There we go. Now we're getting it. This is like stuck on there.
You can get a scraper.
So next up, we're doing dark wax. Is this the only thing that we're going to be dark waxing?
Yeah, I think this turned out really well with just the distressing, so that's all we need here.
What about that corbel? I think we should dark wax the corbel.
Yeah, maybe the corbel.
And then we'll leave this. I just kind of like the silver peeking through it. If you're using cottage color, you don't have to put a sealer between it and the wax because it already has a built-in sealer, so it's really nice because it saves you a step. You put it on, don't let it sit for too long, and then just wipe it back. And you actually kind of have to be careful because otherwise you'll wipe it all off because the sealer built in, but just kind of sits down into the details. Decided to use dark wax on this corbel just to kind of bring out the details, and it is kind of nice because it's got the cream of the original color with the Americana. This is just going to add one more layer.
Let me get down there in that dental molding. That's going to be awesome.
Into the cracks. No, you ruined it.
Look, it's got those big old fingerprints in there. This is taking the dark wax a little more because we had to sand this really heavily just to get it to distress because the paint stuck so well.
That's all right because it's going to make it moody and cool.
I like it. It is time. We are going to start making this fall display, get it going, and we're pulling from our own garden that we've been growing all summer.
I'm not one of those who easily can open up and let somebody close. No.
Look who the tractor brought in. Zeb's dad's here, and he brought in all the hay, and we're gonna get that set up here. Oh, look, and there's his mom. Say hi, Mom.
So I'm gonna put pumpkins and stuff.
Yeah, that's fine.
Over here.
I'd put the corn right there.
You want to start putting pumpkins out here? I'm gonna go grab my big ones.
Here comes the infamous pumpkins from last spring? January?
I think so. It's been a while. Still got the thrift store tag on them.
How much was it?
$10.
$10. I feel like that's money well spent. Here, if we're gonna put that here, let's move this.
I got another one, so let me go grab it.
Okay. So we're shopping the store. Shameless plug. We've restocked all of our jadeite, and you can pick these items up at jamirayvintage.com. Cosmos are starting to get sad, but still blossoming. You can tell that it's getting cold because the stems start to get this dark orange color. They're not as green, but they're still looking good. These are actually a little bit younger Cosmos, and you can see that they're a lot greener. It's kind of the difference between the two of them. These ones we just transplanted and put by the front of the shop. All right, so we brought in all the things that we finished yesterday. These already sold, so the gals will get these shipped out. Looks like they got their work cut out for them. We got a ton of new dough bowls in yesterday. This is like
right here for them.
You're gonna leave that for them. Just this is just like a portion of the dough bowls that came in. These will go on display. The rest are upstairs. But here's all our little projects. They're so cute. So we just wound up using two colors. We have Americana and crockery, and we use dark wax, and we got all these different looks. I stole these mums from our house, so I'll have to go to Costco and get more, but they look good. I like the offset of all the orange with the burgundy and now the corn stalks. So to do the corn stalks, all you have to do is just get some like hemp twine. We've gotten some cotton twine that we picked up at the thrift store, and so I'm just gonna tie them together.
Behind here somewhere.
So are you gonna do one? I would do it up against the shop, because otherwise it's gonna, I don't know how you're gonna keep it from falling over. Yeah, I think that's good like that.
Okay, let's get a picture. All right, guys, fun little video, fall display out front. It probably took us 15-20 minutes to pull this together.
We've been growing these all summer, so don't discount the fact that we had to grow all this stuff, but that was really fun. If you guys like this video, be sure to hit that share button, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.